How to set the dual alarms clock and time? Very simple. Press the power button on the back, and the machine will enter standby mode. Press AL1 to set alarm 1. The arrow digits flash, turn the knob to adjust the time. Press AL1 to determine hours. Enter the alarm ringtone settings. 5 alarm ringtones to choose from: CD, USB, Bluetooth, beep, radio. Press AL1 to confirm and enter the volume setting. Press AL1 again to confirm. Next, if you want to set a second alarm, press AL2, same as 1. How to turn off the alarm? Press AL1, 2 or press the knob.
How to set the time?
Press time and turn the knob. To select 24 hours or 12 hours and press time to confirm. The arrow digits flash, turn the knob to adjust the time. Then adjustment, press time to confirm. The minute flashes. After adjustment, press time again to confirm.